If your GMC Yukon is struggling to connect to Apple CarPlay, follow these steps to restore your link. Data shows that the vast majority of connectivity glitches are software-related and do not require expensive repairs. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to pinpoint your specific connection failure. Start by swapping your USB cable for a certified one and clearing the paired device list in your infotainment settings. Often, an outdated iOS version or a hidden screen time restriction is silently blocking the connection. If software tweaks fail, inspect your USB ports for physical debris that might prevent a solid data connection. Try these DIY software resets before paying for a dealer diagnostic, which is usually reserved for hardware failures. As you can see, the cost escalates quickly if the problem moves from a simple software reset to hardware replacement. For persistent issues, a hard power reset of the vehicle's electrical system can force the infotainment module to reinitialize. You only need a few basic tools to perform these deep system resets on your Yukon. Remember that troubleshooting is a process of elimination, so take your time with each step. If you're still having trouble, it might be time to visit a dealer. Thanks for watching.